Our focus to pharma major Dr. Reddy's Laboratories that has also posted its numbers for the quarter gone by. In fact, the company's revenue has gone up by 15.8% on a year-on-year basis, while the profit for the company has also risen 1.7% to over 1,400 crore rupees. Margins, however, have contracted by 100 basis points. But the key highlight for the company's earnings that has come in is from its Europe's business, which has witnessed a significant growth of 143% on a year-on-year basis, while the India growth has seen a 14% growth on a year-on-year basis. My colleague Varun Dubey is now joining us on the phone line with some number crunching. Varun, so that the Europe story and how it's unfolding for the company is the big story right here. That's the big headline number. But tell us, what does the company's fine print in terms of the numbers that it is reported for the quarter gone by looks like?
Well, if you look at Dr. Reddy's, the overall quarter has been a soft quarter in terms of operational performance because the overall EBITDA margins have gone down by around 100 basis points, and that has resulted into the profit going only in lower single digit of 1.7%. Now, if you look at the overall revenues, it has shown a good growth of around 15.8%, which is better than our estimate. Now, the growth has basically been because of the NRT portfolio that the company has acquired, and this portfolio growth has actually led to the overall growth in India, emerging markets, and also in the European business. The problem is actually the North America business. If you look at the North America business, it has shown a growth of around 1% on a YoY basis, and there is a decline of around 9% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Now, there are lower sales of certain products which have actually led to this decline, and also the price erosion that was there in the US markets are actually continuing, because of which we have seen the North America business showing only a growth of 1%. Now it comes to India business, the growth has basically been led by the in-licensed vaccine portfolio, although the prices have seen increase, but there was lower volume pickup in certain brands like cardiac therapy area. So that's one of the cautious area for India as well. Now, the rest of the world portfolio, it was expected that there would be around 20% growth, but it has shown a growth of around 7%. It was impacted due to adverse forex movement and also largely decrease in the base business volumes. So if you look at the overall results of Dr. Reddy, the revenues have shown good growth, but yes, it has been a soft quarter when it comes to margins.
All right. Thank you very much, Varun, for sharing all of those perspectives so far as the company's earnings are concerned and giving us that fine print. Definitely when you talk about the different